Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your notification settings on X application. If you want to control what alerts you get and keep your feed distraction free, then this tutorial is easy to follow. First of all, launch open X application on your smartphone and make sure that you are logged into the account. Once you're logged into your home page of X, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. Now, you can adjust the preferences on the next page. Choose the Filters option at the top to reduce unwanted alerts. You can then turn on this toggle menu to filter low-quality content from your notifications. If you want to mute notification from people, click on Muted Notification and toggle on the notification option that you don't want to receive. For example, if you want to mute notifications from people you don't follow, go ahead and turn on any option over there that you don't want notification from. If you want to decide what type of notifications you want, then you can get back to this Notifications tab and click on Preferences. From here, you can go ahead and turn on push notifications, SMS notifications, or email notification. To control push notifications, select Push Notification option and then decide what type of notifications you want. If you want mentions, reposts, new followers, or recommendation, go ahead and turn on the toggle menu right next to them. If you don't want any kind of notification, all you need to do is to simply turn off the button right next to the notification type you don't want to receive. And that way, you can easily manage notification setting on X. You can also turn off notification setting from your device's settings menu. If you want to turn off all of the alerts from the application, you can simply go ahead and open up the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, under Notifications, scroll through the app list and select X. Now turn off the Allow Notification button and this will stop any kind of notification from that specific app. Whether you want fewer distractions or instant alerts, now you are in full control. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.